Unlike paid tools like 11 Labs, you can generate voiceovers completely free inside Google AI Studio. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate Google's new layout and use its hidden emotion tags to create human-sounding voiceovers with just one click. First, open Google AI Studio and click Playground to start with a fresh workspace. Next, click the Speech and Music card, then select Gemini Flash TTS Preview. Here, you'll see several quick start templates. Google has already created specialized templates for podcasts, advertisements, storytelling, and corporate training videos. On the right side, under Model Settings, you'll find the temperature slider. If you want a flat, consistent voice for something like an instructional manual, lower this slider. However, keeping it at a higher setting, such as 1, allows the AI to add natural variation, breathing pauses, and more realistic speech patterns. Now, let's select the Energetic Co-host card to open the workspace text box. As you can see, this template includes 2 speakers. At the moment, Google AI Studio doesn't allow you to add additional speakers. The text inside square brackets controls the speaker's emotions. Simply type the emotion you want inside square brackets, and the model will automatically adjust its tone, pitch, and delivery style. Let's run it and hear how it sounds.
Welcome back to the show. Today we're diving into the intersection of AI and creative expression.
Exactly. I've got so many thoughts on what happened this week.
It really is shifting daily. I mean, did you see the demo they dropped on Tuesday?
Oh, absolutely. It blew my mind. But it also raised some pretty huge questions about how we define art in the first place.
Right, so let's get right into it because we have a lot to unpack today.
Pretty realistic, right? It sounds surprisingly human. On the right side, if you click the speaker icon, you'll find a few more options. For example, you can name the audio profile. You can also change the style, pace, and accent. Let's choose empathetic, natural, and British for speaker 1. You can also filter voices by traits such as casual, friendly, gentle, and more. To preview a voice, click the small play button next to it. Let's choose this voice for the first speaker,
What idea do you want to bring to life?
and this one for the second speaker.
What sparks your interest?
Now, delete the default script and add your own script with a few emotion tags. Then click Run to play it.
Welcome back to the channel.
Yeah, we have a crazy workflow tool to show you today.
See how easy that is, and the best part is, it's completely free. That's it for this lesson. In the next lesson, I'll show you how to build an app using Google AI Studio. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.